Hi guys, Medicine Woman in the Woods here. I have been doing a lot of videos for the women on things to take care of our bodies, yeast infections and things like that. Well, tonight I'm doing a video for the men that are dealing with any prostate problems. This is a great tincture for men to start taking if they don't even have prostate problems, and then it'll keep it at bay so they'll never get prostate problems. So the ingredients, I'm using 4 ingredients tonight with the 100 proof alcohol. Actually, I'm using 90 proof, sorry. I'm using 90 proof on this one. Some I use higher, but I like the 90 proof for this tincture. So the first thing we're going to put in is red clover. Now I'll put a link in the bottom of what each of these herbs do. And then we've got green tea. We've got stinging nettle. And we've got damiana. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Let's put our red clover in first. So all of these herbs will go to the body and take care of any prostate problems if you have them. But like I said earlier, this is a tincture that you should probably start taking daily, just so that never arises in your life. So we've got the red clover in there. Looks like a lot, but once you put the alcohol in, it's so strong, the alcohol will break it down and it'll settle. It won't be as much. Okay, now we're going to put the green tea in. This is organic green tea. And we're going to put the stinging nettle in. Then we're going to put some damiana in. That looks like a lot, but it will break down. So let's get our alcohol in there. So I have this labeled when I am making the tincture and what's in it and what it's for. That's important. So I'm going to fill it right to the top. It took a lot. I'm going to get the air bubbles out. Make sure all the air is out of it. And I'll come back to this in about a half hour and the alcohol will be down to here because all the herbs are going to absorb it, and I'll fill it even more close to the top because I like my tincture to be right to the top. So that looks good. So I'm going to cap it. That's all there is to it, guys. Now you'll shake this every day if you can, and you'll put it in a cool dark spot, like in a cupboard, not over a stove, but a cupboard that's in a cool area. Keep it in there for 4 weeks and strain it, and you'll have a beautiful tincture for prostate problems. I hope this helps you guys.